Are you looking for the best portable camping toilets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 9 best portable camping toilets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Camco Portable Toilet. The 5.3-gallon holding tank on the Aquamagic Style 2 RV toilet is detachable, making it easy to clean. The 2.5-gallon flush tank provides plenty of power to flush away waste. The ceiling slide valve locks in odors and protects against leakage. The side latches secure the tank to the toilet. The bellow-type flush and sturdy construction make this toilet a great choice for your RV. The Aquamagic Style 2 RV toilet measures 15.5-inch H x 14-inch W x 16-inch. Please note, total seat width is 13 inches. Seat dimensions are 8.5-inch W x 9-inch D. At number 2, Playbird Portable Travel Toilet. The best thing about the Reliance Luggable loo is that it is extremely lightweight and easy to carry. It also features an integrated toilet paper holder, which is a nice touch. The Luggable loo can be used with 8-gallon toilet waste bags for easy cleanup and no mess. The removable cover seals an odor, which is a great feature. However, it is still a great option for anyone looking for a portable toilet that is easy to use and easy to clean. Overall, the Reliance Luggable loo is a great option for anyone looking for a portable toilet that is easy to use and easy to clean. It is also a great value for the price. At number 3, Reliance Luggable Gallon Toilet. Are you looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective, and reliable portable toilet? Look no further than the on-the-go toilet. This simple bucket-style portable toilet comes with a traditional snap-on lid to contain odors and a 6-pack of waste bags with biogel. It is an excellent sanitation device for hunting, fishing, and camping expeditions and has a capacity of 5 gallons. The dimensions of the product are 13.50 by 13.00 by 15.56 inches and it weighs 3 pounds. The package also contains 6 portable toilet waste bags with double zip locking for a tight seal and handles for convenient transportation. The dimensions of the waste bags are 7.5 by 4.5 by 5.75 inches and they weigh 0.75 pounds. At number 4, Nature's Head Portable Camping Toilet. Are you looking for an environmentally friendly and efficient way to take care of your waste? Look no further than the Clivus Multrum Composting Toilet. This toilet is incredibly easy to install and doesn't require any special maintenance. It's also odor-free and comes with a 5-year warranty. Plus, it has a huge capacity that will last most families 2 to 6 weeks before it needs to be emptied. And when it is time to empty it, the process is quick and easy. This truly is a vast improvement over older composting toilet designs. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and efficient solution for your waste needs, the Clivus Multrum Composting Toilet is the perfect option for you. At number 5, Porta White Thetford Corp. The Porta Curve is a versatile and stylish portable toilet that is perfect for any number of situations, from camping and boating to healthcare and off-the-grid living. The Curve comes with a number of features that make it easy to use and clean, including a comfortable seat height, increased bowl size, battery-powered flush, and an integrated toilet paper holder. The portable toilet is also odorless and leak-proof, with a sealed valve to prevent odors from escaping and a rotating pour-out spout for easy emptying of the wastewater tank. The optional hold-down kit helps to secure the toilet to the floor, making it even more convenient for use on the go. At number 6, Emergency Honey Bucket Toilet. Looking for a more convenient and comfortable way to do your business when you're away from home? Look no further than the Emergency Zone brand toilet seat. This toilet seat fits most 3, 5, and 6-gallon pails, making it a great option for camping, hunting, or any other time you find yourself without modern conveniences. It's also lightweight, so you can easily carry it to any location, and it comes with a toilet seat only, making it a more affordable option. So why choose the Emergency Zone brand toilet seat? First, it's a more comfortable and convenient option for when you're away from home. Second, it's a more affordable option. And third, it's a great option for any time you find yourself without modern conveniences. So if you're looking for a more convenient and comfortable way to do your business when you're away from home, the Emergency Zone brand toilet seat is the way to go. At number 7, Camco Premium Travel Toilet. The Camco Portable Travel Toilet is a great option for anyone who is looking for a compact, easy-to-use and easy-to-clean toilet. This toilet is perfect for RVing, camping, boating or any other time when you need a portable toilet. The Camco Portable Travel Toilet is made of a durable, easy-to-clean ABS material and has a 5.3-gallon detachable holding tank. The sliding gate valve seals in odors and won't leak, and the interior surface is slick to help prevent odors from clinging. The pumping flush action cleans the bowl, and the swivel dumping elbow makes waste removal easy. This toilet measures 17 1/8 inches H x 16 5/16 inches W x 18 5/8 inches D and weighs approximately 11.88 pounds when empty, 31.5 pounds when full. At number 8, Reliance Hassock Portable Toilet. The Reliance Hassock is a portable, lightweight and self-contained toilet that comes with one EcoFresh packet. The contoured seat is comfortable and the inner splash cover/toilet paper holder is removable for easy waste disposal. The dimensions are 14.7 by 14.7 by 14 inches L x W x H and it weighs 5 pounds. It is designed for camping and boating and has a 5-year warranty against manufacturer's defects. The Hassock portable toilet includes a free sample of BioBlue. We think the Reliance Hassock is a great option for anyone looking for a portable toilet. It is lightweight and easy to transport, and it comes with everything you need to get started. The contoured seat is comfortable, and the inner splash cover/toilet paper holder is a nice touch. We also like that the toilet is compatible with Reliance's standard double-duty bag. The only downside is that it is a bit pricey, but we think it is worth the investment. At number 9, BLIKA Portable Toilet. This portable toilet seat is perfect for camping, car trips, and other outdoor activities. It is easy to carry and set up, and comes with a lid and a plastic ring to keep everything clean. The seat is also comfortable and sturdy, able to hold up to 400 pounds. This is a great product for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. BLIKA also offers an 8-gallon size toilet replacement bag to go with this seat, making cleanup easy and mess-free. After using, simply rinse the seat with water or wipe with paper as needed. The seat is also easy to fold and store, taking up minimal space in your car or camper. This portable toilet seat is a great option for anyone who wants to be prepared for anything while enjoying the great outdoors. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.